In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix lag in BlueStacks 10. To start, open BlueStacks 10 on your computer. Once it loads, you should see the main home screen with your installed apps and the navigation bar along the top and side. Give it a moment to finish loading completely because changing settings while it is still starting up can sometimes make the menus feel slow or unresponsive. When the home screen looks stable and clickable, you are ready to continue. Now click the settings icon that looks like a small gear. It usually sits in the top right corner of the BlueStacks window. When you click it, a settings panel opens, either as a small window or a full sidebar, depending on your version. You will see several categories on the left, with options like display and performance listed there. If the panel did not open, click the gear again to make sure the click registered. From there, go to the performance section in that settings panel. When you select it, the right side changes to show performance-related controls. You should see options for CPU allocation, memory allocation, performance mode, and frame rate. This is where BlueStacks decides how much of your computer it is allowed to use. If you do not see performance, scroll the list of categories on the left until it appears. Next, set CPU allocation to 4 cores if that option is available. Open the CPU dropdown and choose 4 cores from the list. If your computer only shows 2 cores, just pick the highest number you see. The CPU setting controls how many processor cores BlueStacks can use at once, which directly affects how smooth games and apps feel. After selecting it, the number of cores should now show beside CPU allocation. After that, adjust memory allocation to 4 GB or more. Click the memory dropdown and choose an option that says 4 GB or a higher value if your system has enough RAM. This tells BlueStacks how much memory it can reserve for apps, which helps prevent stuttering when loading textures or switching screens. A common beginner mistake is setting this higher than half of your total computer memory, which can slow everything else down, so stay within a sensible range. With that ready, set performance mode to high performance. Click the performance mode dropdown and choose high performance from the available options. This mode prioritizes speed and responsiveness over battery life or power saving, which is ideal when you want smoother gameplay. After choosing it, you may notice some of the other options gray out or adjust automatically, which is normal because the mode optimizes several values at once. Now enable high frame rate by clicking its checkbox. When it is on, the toggle or box will show as active, and you may see a frame rate slider below it. High frame rate lets supported games run at more frames per second, reducing motion blur and input delay. If your monitor is 60 Hz, you will usually see values around 60 frames per second available here. Once everything looks correct, click Save Changes. This button sits at the bottom of the settings window. When you click it, BlueStacks applies the new performance configuration, and the settings panel should briefly refresh or close. If you forget to save and just close the panel, your old laggy settings remain, so make sure you see the save action complete. Finally, restart BlueStacks. Close the BlueStacks window, wait a couple of seconds, then open BlueStacks 10 again. On the next launch, it will start using the new CPU, memory, and frame rate settings you just configured. You should notice smoother animations and more stable gameplay once your apps load. You have now tuned BlueStacks 10 for better performance and reduced lag, so if this helped your games feel smoother, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick fixes like this.